If your Solis comes with the extended cargo area, it's going to come with L-tracks. L-tracks are a convenient way for you to secure your gear. The ring attachments are completely movable and adjustable. To do so, you're just going to push on the center button at the same time as you're pulling up on the two black tabs on the side. Now that it's unlocked, you can slide it anywhere you want along the track, or you can completely remove it and put it on another track. There are a number of pre-made attachments you can get for your L-track, but there's a lot you can do with just the ring attachments themselves. Once you have the rings where you want them, you can tie, hook, or clip your gear right to them and they're not going anywhere. Bungee cords don't come with the L-tracks, but they are a handy way to secure your larger gear. And I've used bungee cords for my foldable bike and the stand-up paddleboard you see here. And same goes for carabiners. They don't come with your L-tracks, but they are really handy for clipping things that don't come with their own clips. And I used carabiners for my backpacks you see up here. And those are just a few ideas to get you started. Once you start experimenting with your own L-track, you're going to find all sorts of creative ways to secure pretty much anything you would want to take with you in your Solis.